So 2 pools, 2 tiki bars, 1 gym, 1 group fitness studio.
And the big thing is to connect them, there's a big portion that's nature preserve in between, right?
Correct. So we want to keep it 600 houses under 1 HOA, but it feels like 200 at Lakeside and 400 at Sunstone, connected by 1 golf cart path, surrounded by conservation. I meet a new customer, I get to drive over that bridge. It feels you get the Lakeside executive experience.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to give you the scoop on the new Sunstone Lakeside community in Wellen Park.
This is a new community that is connected to the existing Sunstone community and features even larger floor plans with 3-car garages and up to 5 bedrooms and great bonus rooms too.
We helped the very first residents move into this community already. And we met up with Joe, one of the sales reps out in Sunstone, who has helped us with many of the families we've worked with over the years. He offered to join us for this video and share the full scoop about Sunstone Lakeside and what makes it special. So stay tuned to learn all about it.
We're Josh and Liz from That Florida Life, helping you live that Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming about. From all the fun things to do, the lifestyle here, and real estate, our goal is to provide you with the best and most enjoyable home buying and relocation experience.
As a top buyer's agent in Wellen Park and the Venice area, I've helped hundreds of families find and build homes all across all the communities in Wellen Park. With my background in managing and building luxury new home communities, I'm your go-to new construction specialist here in Wellen Park. But keep in mind, I do not work for the builder, I work for you and your family. And remember, currently the new home builders in Wellen Park are covering buyer agent compensation fees. That means I can work for you and your family and represent your best interests without any extra coming out of your pocket. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions at all. You can call, text, or email me at any time.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our travel, lifestyle, and real estate videos.
Sunstone Lakeside is a new construction community in the heart of Wellen Park here in Southwest Florida, near the towns of Venice and Sarasota along the Gulf Coast. Wellen Park is one of the hottest master plan communities in the whole country, with more than 20 different neighborhood communities nestled among nature and just minutes away from some of the best dining, entertainment, and beaches in the state of Florida.
Residents here enjoy the golf cart and vacation resort lifestyle with amenities and the laid-back vibe of the surrounding Southwest Florida area. To learn more about Wellen Park, be sure to check out our playlists and all of our videos about fun things to do and the nearby area, as well as downtown Wellen and so much more. This part of Southwest Florida is known for its relaxed coastal lifestyle and stunning beaches. In fact, there are multiple Gulf beaches within 15 to 20 minutes of the Sunstone Lakeside community.
Beyond the beaches, this area is a haven for boaters, kayakers, paddleboarders, and fishermen. Between the Gulf, rivers, and bays, and the intercoastal waterway.
Residents here also have easy access to larger cities such as Sarasota for even more events, shopping, and dining, and the area is a cultural hub in Florida with concerts, theaters, museums, and so much more. Southwest Florida is truly a paradise for vacationers, seasonal snowbirds, and those who are lucky enough to live here year-round.
Sunstone Lakeside is a new construction community built by Mattamy homes.
This community is adjacent to the existing Sunstone community. Sunstone Lakeside is quite new and construction is underway. There are a few families who have moved in, and we've actually helped some of the very first ones.
So you have Sunstone, you have Sunstone Lakeside. HOA covers 600 homes. Sunstone, which is the original portion of the community. We have 2-car garages, beautiful homes, 1,500 square feet to 3,400 square feet, all electric. You have a bunch of conservation in the golf cart pad. You can see this additional, more or less like executive phase of Sunstone called Sunstone Lakeside. So you're gonna have 3-car garages here, impact glasses in every single home. The big deal here is natural gas. Natural gas in the base price, tankless water heaters. Landscaping is upgraded here as well, and the design is all upgraded too. So you'll see in every single house, tile up in the showers all the way to the ceiling.
So you would say Lakeside is an upgraded version for Sunstone because they're bigger,
Yeah.
bigger homes, bigger floor plans.
So one isn't better than the other. There's a home for everybody. But for the buyers that want to spend maybe just a little bit more, that natural gas is really important to them, but they want a 3-car garage, some extra bells and whistles, then Lakeside would be the place.
Even though there are some residents living here, Sunstone Lakeside is still in the very, very beginning stages. So there are plenty of opportunities left for those of you interested in making this your home.
Sunstone Lakeside is a gated resort-style community. So in addition to being in the heart of Wellen Park and having access to all the trails, shopping, dining, and entertainment, it will have its own amenity area within the community for residents to enjoy. The amenities in Sunstone Lakeside will include a clubhouse with game rooms, swimming pool with lap lanes, sun deck with shaded cabanas, activity lawn, playground, fire pit, and a dog park.
The dog park is already open, but the clubhouse and pool are not yet completed. However, as mentioned, residents do have access to the amenity area at the main Sunstone community, which is fully up and running. This amenity area includes a fitness center and sport courts, including pickleball.
A great perk of living in Sunstone Lakeside is that residents will have access to 2 amenity areas. For more details about the Sunstone community and their amenities, be sure to watch our Sunstone community overview video here on YouTube.
Tell me about the amenities here.
So this is one of the special things about this whole community, Sunstone and Sunstone Lakeside. You have a beautiful amenity. It's way bigger than what we need. You have a big pool, a big tiki bar. Now the tiki bars here are unmanned. You're the one that brings your booze or whatever you're deciding to drink. A big gym, a big group fitness studio. We just put in a tot lot, 4 pickleball courts. We just broke ground, and you actually can see the parking lot that's paved.
Yeah, saw that.
The second amenity center.
And if you live here, you'll have forever access to both.
Correct. No matter which side you're on, you do have access to both. So on this side, you have a beautiful pool, an unmanned tiki bar. You're gonna have a shared office space, an events room, and a billiards room, like ping pong table and pool table too. Great lake views. If you wanted to use a gym, then you go over to the really big gym and group fitness studio at the other side.
That's cool.
Sunstone Lakeside offers new construction single-family homes on 50 and 60-foot wide lots with preserve or lake views. There are 10 different floor plans here, and some of them are quite large, ranging from nearly 1,900 square feet to over 3,000 square feet. Homes include 2 or 3 car garages, 2 to 5 bedrooms, and 2 to 4 bathrooms. You'll even find some larger 2-story floor plans available in this community as well.
Another popular feature is that Sunstone Lakeside is a gas community, which is rare to find here in this area of Florida. And every home in Sunstone Lakeside includes impact glass windows as a standard feature. If you haven't already, be sure to check out our Sunstone Lakeside model tours. We have a few of them up on our YouTube channel already, as well as our website, and we'll be posting even more in the future. These model tours are a great way to experience the homes as if you're walking through them yourself.
Sunstone Lakeside is actively selling and building new homes. Prices currently range from around $600,000 to over $800,000 and higher for the larger models. You can choose a lot and design your home from scratch, or you can select from one of their quick move-in homes. These are homes that are either finished now or under construction and will be finished soon.
There are a number of benefits to buying a quick move-in home, including an all-in final price up front and a quicker move-in date. For more details, watch our video all about quick move-in homes.
Current inventory, pricing, and incentives change daily. But I'm out here every day driving through and have many families going through the process now. And I have a great relationship with the sales and construction teams at Sunstone Lakeside. So if you're interested in a home in here or just want more information about the community or the area, please feel free to reach out anytime. And once the building process begins, I'll be there to represent you, so there's someone keeping your best interests in mind during the entire building process. Currently, the builder in Sunstone Lakeside is offering to cover buyer agent compensation. So that means I can represent you and your family and work on your behalf without any extra coming out of your pocket.
For more information about Sunstone Lakeside, please visit our website, thatfloridalife.com. And don't forget to check out all of our Sunstone model tours. You can find them on our YouTube channel, on our Sunstone playlist, and also on our website.
If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We're here for you and your family and are always happy to help. You can give us a call or shoot us an email or text anytime.
We're excited to hear from you and discover how we can help you live that Florida lifestyle of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.